Hi guys, Justice here from BTW Media, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to update your WordPress website. There are three components of your website that need to be updated, which are your plugins, themes, and WordPress Core. Plugins extend the functionality of your WordPress website, while themes are the look and feel of your WordPress website, and Core are the main files that make up your WordPress website. So what you do is you log on to your backend, and if there are updates that need to be done, you will see a number over here where it says updates. So you click on updates, and once the page has loaded, it will show you all the updates that need to be done. So here you have your WordPress core update, and then here are all the plugins that need to be updated, and then these are the themes that need to be updated. So it is advisable to back up your WordPress website before you do a WordPress core update. So the way that you update is you simply click on update, and then once the update is done, it will bring you over to this page, which shows you that the update has been done or made. And then after that, to go back to the page that you were at, you click on this. This is also updates. And then you click on select all for all your plugins, and then you click on update plugins. Once the plugins have been updated, as you can see here, you go back to updates, or you can click here, and then you select all on themes and update your themes. And there you have it. Your WordPress has been updated. Thank you.